Hi there, everyone. So, today we'll be revising what we learned yesterday. So, we learned about nouns and different types of nouns yesterday, and we learned something new, right? And that was pronouns. So, what is a pronoun? Pronoun is a word we use instead of a noun, right? In the I, you, it, we, us, they, them, ഇതെല്ലാം pronouns ആക്കും and we use it instead of a noun. See here, yesterday we looked at this, right? Bharat loves drawing. Bharat draws really well. Instead, we can write it as Bharat loves drawing and put a pronoun instead of the noun Bharat, right? He draws really well. So this is much more easier, and this sounds much more better, right? Using a pronoun instead of repeating a noun, we can use a pronoun, right? Yeah. So there are a few types of pronouns: subject pronoun, object pronoun, possessive adjective, and possessive pronoun. So yesterday we looked at what subject pronoun is and object pronoun is, right? Let's see what subject and object is before we go into subject pronoun and object pronoun. So we learned that subject is a person or thing doing something or an action. ஏதாவது ஆக்ஷன் பண்ணவங்க அவங்கள தான் சப்ஜெக்ட்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இஃப் இட் இஸ் அ பர்சன் ஆர் அ திங் ரைட் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் he paints posters. Here paint is the action or the verb, right? And he is what doing the action, so he is the subject here, right? Yeah. Now object is a person or thing having something done to it. Object is a person or thing that is receiving the action, right? So, object is a person or thing that is having this action done to them. So here posters is receiving the action paint, right? So posters is the object here. Another example is Asma likes experiments. Who is the subject here? Asma. And what is the verb? Like, right? And experiment becomes the object. Again, the dog barked at the person. Here, barked is a verb, that is the action. Who is doing the action? The dog, right? The dog is doing the action. Dog barked. And who is receiving the action? Who is getting barked at? The person, right? The person is getting barked at. Now let's see what are subject and object pronouns. Okay. So subject pronouns are those who do the action. The pronouns of those who are doing the action. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. See, these are subject pronouns. So whenever you see these words, they are subject pronouns. Okay, remember, whenever someone asks you what is a subject pronoun, you can say subject pronouns are those who do the action. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. And these are the words that we use as subject pronouns, right? Yeah. For example, I painted this painting. I painted this painting. Here you can see that I. I is the subject pronoun here, right? So first subject pronoun will come when we are writing about subject pronoun. Subject pronoun will come, action will come, and then object. Like yesterday, Irfan said SVO, right? Subject, verb, object. That is how we usually write. Subject, verb, object. So here again, you can see I painted this painting. First, subject pronoun is coming, then verb is coming, and then object is coming. This is how you use subject pronoun. This is how subject pronoun will do. So subject pronoun வந்து verb-க்கு முன்னாடி வரும். Yeah, here the verb is painted, right? Verb-க்கு முன்னாடி subject pronoun வரும். See here, they looked at the mirror. Look to see action of the verb. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி they வந்துடுச்சு. They is the subject pronoun here, right? Now let's see what is object pronoun. Object pronoun are those who receive the action. And the action receive பண்ணவங்க தான் object pronouns. So the object pronouns are me, us, you, him, her, it, them. These are the object pronouns, right? So whenever someone asks you what is an object pronoun, Just tell them these words. These are object pronouns. Whenever you see them, you should know these are object pronouns, right? So here, what happens is, see this sentence, how this sentence changed into this. See, this painting was done by me. So you can see that. One second. The subject comes first, then the verb comes, and the object pronoun. See, here again, the mirror was looked at by them. The mirror is the subject. Looked at is the object. Sorry, looked at is the verb or action, and them is the object pronoun. See, so first always subject will come, then the verb or action comes, then the object. So when we are writing about the when we write the subject pronoun will come first before the verb, and after the verb object will come. Yeah. And when we are writing about the object pronoun, when we write using an object pronoun, subject will come first, verb will come. Verbuக்கு அப்புறம் தான் object pronoun வரும். Verbuக்கு முன்னாடி இந்த subject pronoun வரும். Verbuக்கு அப்புறம் object pronoun வரும். Okay. Yeah. So this is what we have learned about subject and object pronoun. Let's do some questions that we did yesterday. So this is something we did yesterday, right? I saw Mr. Balu this morning and gave Mr. Balu my homework. Itla, I saw Mr. Balu this morning. Which is a subject pronoun here? I is a subject pronoun, right? I is the subject here. And the verb the so. The action is so, right? See. And Mr. Balu is the object. Mr. Balu is receiving the action. That is so. Okay. So we know this is the structure of the sentence. And now another sentence. And gave Mr. Balu my homework. Idla, you have to replace Mr. Balu. It's being underlined, right? We should know Mr. Balu should be replaced. How will we replace it? So we know that Mr. Balu is an object. So we have to change it into object pronoun. If Mr. Balu was a subject pronoun, Mr. Balu was subject, we'll change it into subject pronoun, right? If Mr. Balu is an object, we'll change it into object pronoun. So we know that Mr. Balu is masculine, and the subject pronoun for this is him. Okay, the subject pronoun for this is him. Sorry, object pronoun for this is him. Okay, and then second question: Muttu likes computer games. Muttu likes computer games. Yeah, so we know that Muttu is the subject here. The verb is like. See, the verb is like, and computer games is the object. Yeah. And another sentence we have been given with an underline. We have to change it into pronoun. But he doesn't play computer games very often. He, again, we can see that he is there. So Muttu is being shifted into subject pronoun. Muttu here became subject pronoun. See, doesn't play computer games very often. So we know that computer games, we have to change computer games into a pronoun. We know that computer games is an object. So we'll be changing it into object pronoun. So for things we use it, right? எப்போதும் the it is a pronoun that we use for things. So we know that it can be used for both subject and object pronouns. It remains same. Okay, yeah. Now another question. He helped the old lady. He gave the old lady food. So he here is the subject pronoun. Helped is the verb, the old lady is the object, and we have to change the object. So here already we can see the subject pronoun is there, the verb is there. Now we have to change the old lady into object pronoun. So what is the object pronoun of of a feminine word or a woman word? So what will we do? We check and then see. Okay, she is she. Does she work here? No, she does not work here. Does he work here? No, because that is a masculine thing, right? Then what is the object pronoun here? Her, right? The object pronoun here is her. So we use her here. Yeah. Why aren't we using she? Because she is a subject pronoun. and her is an object pronoun. Many of you wrote she in your answer, so don't write it. If the old lady was a subject, you can write it as she. But she is now an object here, so we'll be writing it as her. Okay. So I hope subject and object pronouns is very clear to you. I'll be giving you some questions in the packet. Please do the questions. Okay. Have a great day ahead. See you tomorrow in class.